Sherry, it's honestly heartbreaking. So many women come to me completely traumatized. They say he said he wanted to marry me. We got intimate and now he's just gone. They feel betrayed, used, and honestly violated. Is that legally considered rape?
It can be under the new BNS if a man has sex with a woman by lying that he will marry her and he never had the real intentions to, it is rape under section 63.
But she consented to the sexual act, right?
Yes, she did because she was misled, and legally, consent obtained through deception is not a valid consent. If the promise to marry was just a trick to get sex, it is unethical and it is criminal.
But not every failed relationship is rape. So, how do courts draw the line?
That's exactly what the courts have clarified. In Uday versus State of Karnataka, Deepak Gulati and Pramod Pawar, the Supreme Court said if a man genuinely intended to marry, but things didn't work out, it is not rape. But if he never intended to marry and used promise just for sex, that is rape.
Okay, but how do you prove that the man never intended to marry you?
Okay, through his actions, pattern of behavior, and evidence. Was he always delaying marriage without reason? Avoiding introducing her to his family? Did communication stop after they got physical? All these help court assess intent. The more manipulative, one sided conduct, the more it looks like premeditated lie.
But what if someone misuses this law?
Exactly, that's why courts have clearly warned. This law must be used very cautiously. False cases destroy trust, weaken justice for real survivors. It is not about heartbreak, it is deliberate deception used to get sexual consent.
So, if a woman's been through all this, what should she do?
Firstly, contact a lawyer who will file a criminal complaint under Section 63 BNS. Secondly, gather evidence, chats, calls, log, anything that shows promise and how he behaved. Thirdly, this is crucial, get therapy because this isn't just about legal recovery, it is also emotional healing.
And if he's found guilty?
He can be punished with minimum 10 years in prison, going up to life imprisonment.
Ladies, if someone used a fake promise to cross your boundaries, it's not just betrayal, it's a crime.
Consent based on lies is not consent. If he used love to trap you, you have every right to seek justice.